guys, so today I will be telling you 2 things that you can wash your hair to make your hair smooth and shiny. And also these 2 things or ingredients can literally be found in your kitchen and they are inexpensive. So let's get started. Okay, so the first one is to wash your hair with cold water. I know. Now the benefits of washing your hair with cold water is that it seals and smoothens the hair cuticle, making it lay smoothly, locking in the moisture and adding in shine. So a smoother hair cuticle better reflects light, giving your hair the appearance of shine. So after you shampoo and condition your hair, you can go ahead and rinse your hair with cold water. And by the way, you guys, you don't necessarily have to do this inside the bathroom, not unless if you enjoy bathing your body in cold water. For me, I do this in the sink just because I personally do not like bathing in cold water, like maybe cool water but not necessarily cold water. So I think this tip is really great because I've tried this on my hair as well, and I find that it really does make my hair really soft and smooth after. Which is, for me, I really thought that it was very odd at that time, and I thought that this was kind of just like the gimmick of people and all that. But when I tried it on my hair, I really have seen its results. Just because they said that, you know, when you put ice on your skin, it makes your pores close. So they said that this concept kind of works as well when it comes to your hair. So that is that. Alright, now tip number 2 is using an ACV rinse. Now if you guys don't know what an ACV rinse is yet, probably if you're an old subscriber, you definitely know what this is all about, but it's basically an apple cider vinegar rinse. Now if you want an instruction or a guide on how to use the ACV rinse or the right proportion for the ACV rinse, because I know for some people they use different proportions for their hair types. So if you guys want to follow my proportions or want to know more details about the ACV rinse, I'm going to link a video, an old video down below. Okay, so the apple cider vinegar rinse helps get rid of excess oils in your hair, cleanses your scalp, and rinses out any product buildup that you may have on your hair. Plus, I find that the amazing benefit when you use this is that it makes your hair super soft and shiny afterwards. Now before, I used to use the apple cider vinegar on my hair 2 times a week, but for me, I don't find that it is necessary to apply it or use it on your hair frequently. Actually, once a week is enough. And also I like using this if I'm oiling my hair because it helps get rid of the excess oils of my hair from my past experiences before. If I leave the apple cider vinegar on my hair for about like 10 to 15 minutes, as soon as I rinse it out, my hair always feels really soft and smooth after. And also it's true that it gives your hair that really nice shiny texture afterwards. So I think the only disadvantage when using the apple cider vinegar rinse is that if you don't necessarily like the smell of the apple cider vinegar. So for me, my strategy when using the apple cider vinegar rinse is that after I wash my hair with shampoo and all that, I use apple cider vinegar rinse, and then after that I use my conditioner just to kind of like help get rid of the ACV smell. Just because I'm not gonna lie, the apple cider vinegar has a very lingering vinegary smell. So if you don't want that, it's good to wash your hair with shampoo first and then use the apple cider vinegar rinse and then condition your hair. Just because if I use the ACV rinse the last, it does make my hair smell like vinegar. I know some people, they use the apple cider vinegar rinse last, and I'm not so sure how that works for some. Maybe they can just tolerate the smell of the vinegar, but I personally can't. So that's the procedure on how I use the apple cider vinegar. Also, there's another way on how to use this if you want to marinate this on your hair, especially if your goal is to get rid of the excess product buildup on your hair, or you're using this to get rid of dandruff on your hair. So if you're planning to marinate your hair with the ACV rinse, it is good to wash it off with water first and then wash it with your shampoo and then condition your hair the last. Just because I find that method better to use rather than just washing it off with water, because as I've said, the longer you leave the ACV on your hair. It has a very lingering smell. So if you don't want the smell and if you just want the amazing hair benefits that apple cider vinegar rinse can provide for you, I suggest that you do it that way. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also share it to a friend if you found this content valuable, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!